Condition-based maintenance triggers. Condition-based maintenance triggers are part of a well-planned preventive maintenance program. If a piece of equipment isn't functioning right, it can be checked, adjusted, and returned to normal operation without much expense time instead of experiencing a costly and time-consuming failure. Various techniques are used to monitor the condition of an asset, track condition triggers and act on. These methods can range from inexpensive, visual inspections, to more expensive, technically demanding ones, vibration and thermographic analysis. The various methods for assessing condition-based maintenance are discussed here.